The Ghana Revenue Authority will soon launch the automation of all tax clearance certificates. This is part of moves to migrate all payment of tax digitally whilst ensuring tax compliance. According to its Commissioner General, Reverend Dr. Amishadai Osuamwa, this will be done in two ways, via a USSD code and the Ghana card. He disclosed this at a panel discussion at the Just and the 6th Ghana CEO Summit. All right, I thought we were going to play the soundbite of the GRA officer, that is Dr. Reverend Amishadai Osuamwa, but we'll first speak with Samuel Mbura on another matter because we understand that there's been a fiat granted by the Attorney General for the Ghana Revenue Authority to begin dealing with tax defiant institutions. Samuel Mbura was at an anti-corruption coalition stakeholders discussion on promoting progressive property taxation and tax compliance in Ghana. Joins us on phone. So what does this essentially mean, Samuel, that they have been given a fiat to prosecute tax defaulting institutions?
Well, Darryl, in April 2021, the Chief Justice in a letter gave notice to the Ghana Bar Association of the judiciary's intention to establish a tax court to deal with prosecutions of tax cases. This followed calls from the Ghana Revenue Authority for the judiciary to play a more effective role in the administration of tax laws. We know that ordinarily the Attorney General is responsible for the prosecution of criminal offenses, including breach of tax laws. So what it then means is that prosecutions of the tax court will be investigated and prosecuted by prosecutors at the Ghana Revenue Authority. It is part of the measures in ensuring that cases relating to tax are fast-tracked. That is what Clement Amankwa Bonso, a chief revenue officer with GRA, has been sharing with stakeholders. We know that there have been complaints that some of our calls are congested, and that is the reason it was formed. And its target or its main aim is to separate all tax cases for them to fast-track so that GRA will be able to find defaulters in soaring up its revenue.
And so this begins immediately, does it?
Yeah, so according to the chief revenue officer, it's already in place, and then they are using that court or the tax court to deal with offenders of tax laws in the country.
What else has come up at that event where you are at?
Can you come again? The line was quite bad. I couldn't hear.
So I was just asking what else came up.
So they were talking about the nature of these taxes. The offenses that the tax laws or the tax court can deal with. But the main objective is to see how the various institutions that are fighting corruption could help the GRA break in revenue and also ensure that government accounts for revenue collected from the people. Concerns are that the country has been making or raising revenue through the various avenues available in the country, but it is not reflected. There's no transparency and accountability in terms of revenue collected from the ordinary people. They were raising issues that have to do with the e-levy, and the point was that it isn't that the Ghanaian populace do not want to pay the taxes, but how their taxes are expended. So that has been the the issue on the table that they are discussing. So at the end of the meeting or the stakeholder engagement, they are looking at a way forward. They can collaborate with the GRA in dealing with some of these loopholes.
Thank you so much, Samuel Mbura there. The latest that the GRA has been given a fiat by the Attorney General to prosecute tax defaulting institutions. That's the marketplace. Thanks for watching. My name is Darryl Kwao. More news on our website, myjoyonline.com/business. Goodbye.